Tired of fumbling with your console to shut it down? Today, we're going to make powering down your PlayStation 5 a breeze using just your DualSense controller. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 is turned on and you're at the home screen. You'll recognize this screen by the game tiles and the main menu bar at the top. Next, locate the PlayStation button on your DualSense controller. It's the one with the PlayStation symbol in the center. Now, press the PS button. This will bring up your quick menu, a small bar that appears at the bottom of your screen. Within the quick menu, navigate to the power options. Look for the icon that resembles a power button. It's usually positioned near the bottom of the quick menu. Press the X button to select this power options icon. When highlighted, this action unveils your power options. You'll now see a couple of choices. Select Turn Off PS5. It's the first option. Use your controller's directional buttons to highlight, then tap the X button to choose Turn Off PS5. Your PS5 will now begin the shutdown process. You'll see a message on the screen indicating that it's powering off, and the light on your console will eventually turn off. And just like that, your PlayStation 5 is shut down, all thanks to your DualSense controller. Super convenient, right?